If you're ready to supercharge your health and feel totally amazing, you are in the right place. Whether you're a newbie or you're just curious about how to get juicing, welcome to this channel. Once you start juicing and you experience how refreshing it is, you'll get hooked. So go with me on this journey. Let me take you through how to juice even as a beginner, and you'll be glad you did. Watch to the end so that you see how the juice will look and it will taste. Let's go. Juicing changed my life in ways I never expected, and today I'm excited to share that journey with you. Whether you are a busy mom like I am, trying to find easy ways to sneak in some self-care, or you just want something refreshing and simple, this video is for you. I remember when I started juicing and making smoothies as part of my normal routine. I didn't know where to begin. All I knew was I needed to feel better. I needed more energy, more vibrancy, and be kinder to my body, especially with everything life throws at us. And sometimes, the easiest way to start is by taking a single simple step. So today we are starting with 2 ingredients, watermelon and pineapple. Trust me, you'll be amazed at what these 2 can do for you. Why watermelon and pineapple? Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why I keep coming back to these 2 fruits. Watermelon is so hydrating, over 90% water. When you're feeling drained, like the energy has been sucked out of you, this juice makes you feel like a recharge button for your body. Oh, pineapple is not just sweet, it's packed with enzymes that are known to help digestion. And we all know the saying, when your gut is happy, you're happy. It's true. I've noticed my skin glow more, my energy levels rise, and I just feel lighter. That's why I'm sharing this with you today. See here, you don't need fancy equipment or a long grocery list to juice. If you have a juicer, that's beautiful. It makes your life very easy, just like it has made mine. But what if you don't have? It's absolutely okay. As long as you have a blender, you can achieve the same result, just like I am right now. Look, I know how hard it is to make time for yourself. Maybe you're juggling work, kids, and the never-ending list of things to do, and you feel like you're running on empty. Trust me, I've been there. And here's the thing, taking care of yourself doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes all you need is a few minutes and something as simple as this juice to remind you that you matter too. This is a reminder that you deserve to feel refreshed. You deserve to feel good from the inside. I started juicing because I needed something that didn't take up too much of my time, but still gave me the energy and vibrancy I was missing. It worked. It really did. That's why I'm sharing this with you. I want you to feel the same, okay? When you start juicing, whenever you get your fruits from the grocery store, always do your best to give the fruits a good wash. Because of the pesticides on the body of those fruits, I wash mine sometimes with baking soda. I didn't use baking soda for this because I know I was peeling the back off. I wasn't going to use the back. But always make sure you give your fruits a very good wash and rinse. So here's what I want you to do. Take this as your first step into juicing. Don't overcomplicate it. Don't stress about having all the right tools or ingredients. Just try it. Watermelon and pineapple. That's it. Just those 2. And you will see for yourself how something so simple can give you that little burst of energy, that little boost of wellness right when you need it. And in addition, your skin will glow, it will change. People will start telling you that there's something different. You will see it for yourself. You don't even need anyone to tell you. And when you try it, I want you to leave a comment and let me know how it made you feel. Did you notice more energy? Did it brighten your day a little bit? Because I think we could all use a little of that. If you're wondering why I have so many jars, it's because the watermelon was really big and I like juicing for the whole week because I usually don't have time during the week to do this. So you can also batch juice and store it in the fridge. I'm also sure that the next question you will want to ask me is how long does it last in the fridge? Well, I think it lasts between 5 to 6 days in the fridge, and you could also freeze it if you want. As usual, now that we're done, you can see how many bottles I was able to get from that pineapple and watermelon. It was really big. I ran out of jars. So I'm going to test this now and let's see. This, I'll give this a 10 over 10. In fact, 1000 over 10. It's so good. Mm, it's so refreshing. So, if you found this video useful, please like, give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so that it can get to as many people as possible. Juicing is not hard, especially if you have a juicer. In this channel, as time goes on, I'm going to show you how you can also juice without a juicer. No one should feel left out. All my glow girlies, nobody should feel left out, okay? I got you. Till I come your way next time, have yourself a lovely, lovely day.